Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix your problem or problem you have on Snapchat. We will just click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down here and we will click here on apps. Then we come here to apps window here and this is window and we will just go down here to looking for Snapchat app here and this is window. We will just go down and we will click here on Snapchat. Then we come here to this is a window here like you say, and we will click here on for stop. You will just click and you click here on OK. Then you click here on storage and you come here to this is window. You will click here on clear cache. Then you will click here on clear data and you will just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So I wish you a great thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.